What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu, the entire cryptocurrency market, and the things that we need to expect tomorrow. Guys, the paper hands have sold out of their positions. We should all be very, very happy and very, very excited that the weak-handed investors were all weeded out. And again, right now, what we're going to see, in my opinion, are the individuals who've been on the sidelines, the big whales, the folks, the diamond handlers. Those are the ones that are going to get ready to see, hopefully, some really, really nice gains and start seeing a correction in the market in the positive direction because of one big catalyst that I've been excited about ever since last month. As soon as it was announced, I told you all, guys, this is one that I want to focus on because I think it's going to change cryptocurrency as a whole once and for all. Now, before we talk about that and talk about Shiba Inu's price action and how I bought 200 million more SHIB tokens, I do want to mention my link for Webull in the description below. You guys have till pretty much midnight tonight to still get your 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. $5, SHIB Army, and only till tonight through the 20th of July, you get $2,300 when you deposit $5. Take advantage of this time. Please, please, please help out the channel and also help out your pocket by letting yourself get some free stocks. Thank you so much for everybody who's already used the link, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. 582 Satoshi units. Shiba Inu and the entire overall cryptocurrency market has just been selling off today. You know, it looks like we built some level of support, and I actually pounced right around that 570 mark, so I'm very, very thankful. Triple touching. So today, if it ever pulls back down, you guys can see we touched 3 times right around 570 units, which again, when we see 3 times, 3 support touches basically, that can tell you and everyone else that, hey, that might be a really good entry point. But remember, my videos are not for financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I try to always put you guys on the plays that I am in, folks. And again, big shout out to the barber, by the way. I did get a haircut today, and Eid Mubarak once again for everybody that is celebrating. Now, SHIB Army, what are we looking at? So just to show you guys, first and foremost, the swap, you guys can see I got an additional 200 million tokens that I added to my portfolio today, and we currently have about 112 million buried. So in total, about 315 million SHIB tokens, specifically SHIB. In addition, we have some bone, 149.4 bones and 0.215 Ethereum that are currently in the liquidity pool. So again, we have seen some pretty nice gains. With my $1,138 initial investment, have made a $514 profit, and total $1,621 with how bad the market has been over the last 5 days. I got up to about $2,100 in terms of an overall value, down about $500. But am I worried? Absolutely not. I am just buying more because I'm a man with conviction, and I truly believe in this. Now, tomorrow we have one of the single biggest catalysts that we have probably seen, in my opinion, since probably the whole summer, May, June, July. From the 3 months tomorrow for the entire cryptocurrency market, and that is the B word conference, the Bitcoin conference for the entire cryptocurrency infrastructure. And the big thing is we have individuals like Elon Musk. You guys know what Elon has done, and I talked about it early morning today. Cathie Wood and Jack Dorsey. These 3 individuals are going to be talking about Bitcoin and how we need to destigmatize the current narratives surrounding the cryptocurrency infrastructure. Not enough institutions and individuals, with big buying power are getting in on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin specifically. And just because of the mainstream narratives that are currently out there, all the negative connotations, negative sentiments, but these individuals are coming out tomorrow to publicly say, hey, let us give you some perspective on why this thing is actually, regardless of what you think about it right now, it's going to be a part of our future. So the B word will launch tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific PDT on July 21st, 2021, offering a live experience and a library of content to the investor community, enabling a more informed discussion about the role of Bitcoin, Bitcoin can serve for institutions across the globe. Now, hold on a minute. We know that this is happening tomorrow. We know Cathie Wood has a $500,000 price target on Bitcoin. She thinks that one day it's going to be worth more than the market cap of gold in the trillions and trillions of dollars. 14 trillion, I think it is, which it's nowhere even near that right now. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Square, you guys know how much he's been pushing Bitcoin. He's accepted it on his Square, which is the app that he co-founded and currently the CEO of the company. We have John Newberry, also going to be giving his perspective, director of Brink. We have these other individuals, CEO of Blockstream, Adam Back, Lynn Alden from Alden Investment Strategy, and then of course Nick Carter, the chairman of Coinmetrics. All these individuals that are going to give their perspective tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I wish I was going to be home for this, but I will be at work. But what I'm assuming we're going to see, guys, as sentiments overall, because right now the fear index, right? If we look at the fear index, there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. People are selling out of their cryptocurrency positions. So today's a fantastic shopping day. Aside from Shiba Inu, for me, I pounced on Shiba Inu. You guys know I've been buying up Ethereum, love their blockchain, love everything they're doing, love VB, their founder and CEO. These are individuals that I back. Cardano at $1.05, ADA. Some fantastic cryptocurrency projects are on big sales. Shiba Inu at 583 Satoshi units, with all the things that have already happened for it. Look at this. If we go back just to the 3-month chart, back on May 10th, we saw this thing at 3,600 Satoshi units. So if it just goes back to its all-time highs, we're looking at 7x returns or 700% return on our investment. Ethereum down more than 50% from its all-time high of 4,200, I think it was. Bitcoin got up to 64,000, more than half of its price right now. So you're getting everything on discount if you're somebody that truly believes in the cryptocurrency market, the crypto infrastructure, and thinks that this thing can continue to progress and hopefully show us the promised land in the very near future. Because I invest now knowing that it is a high risk, but with everything that is high risk comes high reward. Because yes, there's some fear, there's this uncertainty, especially with the whole thing that happened with the Federal Reserve saying that, hey, we don't know so much about this whole crypto thing, we don't think it's the best idea. But again, maybe some regulation in the future. But I think, again, if we see things like the ETF come out, right? The cryptocurrency ETF, Bitcoin ETF, they call it, and other fantastic catalysts that will project and change the entire momentum for this market. It's going to be fantastic. And the first step is to help institutions realize the true meaning and power of the crypto market. So the B Word conference that is happening tomorrow on July 21st, make sure you guys mark your calendars. If you live here in the United States, 9 a.m. in the morning, or if you live here Central Time, it's 10 a.m. 11 a.m. and then Eastern Standard Time is going to be at noon. Make sure you don't miss this. Take a moment for yourself. Go ahead. Even play the little, explain how institutions can embrace it. Watch this little 35-second clip to give yourself a little bit of an introduction. And register for it. It's completely free. Just click this register button and go through and do what you got to do. I'll try to tune in when I'm at work, but I will definitely be giving you guys a 100% honest response and honest review of what happened during this event. But I'm really excited because Cathie Wood is someone that people truly believe in. Yes, she has her ARK-G and ARK-X, all these different ETFs that have substantially done very, very well in the overall stock market. I think, again, she's diversified out of it. She buys a lot of cryptocurrency related stocks, mining stocks, and I'm talking, again, Bitcoin, of course, a big position that she currently holds in her portfolio with the ARK Invest team. She's somebody that is very bullish on it, and there are very good reasons for that. So hopefully tomorrow, that fear index that's currently, in the orange or red, we're going to start seeing go back to, more of a median, maybe over to the green side a little bit, where people start having all this clear up the uncertainty, clear up this doubt that people might have for the longevity of the crypto market, and investors will hopefully come back in. It might not happen immediately, but I think, again, over time, the sentiments are going to go back to where they were previously. So again, I just want to give a big, big shout out to all these individuals that are going to be talking about cryptocurrency and talking about Bitcoin, because again, there was a lot of different negative sentiments lately, especially. We saw what happened with Tesla accepting Bitcoin for payment for their vehicles and, all their things on their website. And then they stopped because of the fact that it wasn't as green as they thought it was. All these different things. But ultimately what's happening now is we're going to hopefully see the reversion, the return. And of course, we know what's happening in China with the crackdown on just mining groups, if you will. Right? So these miners are all getting banned, but now we're going to see more mining here in the United States, which is going to bring in additional revenue. And of course, we're going to look at alternative energy outside of just, coal and fossil fuels. We're going to look at, because we're talking Texas, Florida, where there's a lot of potential for alternative energy resources, right? The wind turbines down there, we know there's a lot of different things, solar panels, so we could use solar energy, and that's going to excite Tesla. And of course, Elon is going to give his 2 cents on his perspective and what he thinks is going to happen in terms of Bitcoin, because these are individuals that are all very bullish on the infrastructure. We know that for a fact, and they're going to give their bullish statements and thesis. So again, make sure you guys all tune in. All I can do is inform, right? I'm here to educate, make sure everybody's on the same level playing field. You guys see Shiba Inu is pulling back. For me, it's been nothing but a joy buying more and more and more. So currently I have 112 million SHIB tokens buried, 213 million currently over just in liquidity, and I'm hoping to increase the position. If I see it pull back, I'm buying more, because that's what a man does when he has conviction. I can really see all these things, and I didn't even add the other catalysts that you guys know are coming. But for tomorrow, make sure you guys tune into the B Word conference. Get what you can, SHIB Army, and thank you so much for tuning in. We hit 60,000 subscribers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much. I do really appreciate all you guys' support. So thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot to me, and I hope I can give back to all of you very soon. So thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time then, keep investing. Peace.